Welcome to our channel MathsHub.
Hello everyone, this is Pratibha. Today we're going to learn about BODMAS with decimals. So step by step we'll learn how to solve. The first question is 0.5 into 12 plus 8 divided by 4 plus 1.5. So don't worry about the decimals. Step by step we'll solve. First we have to solve in the brackets one. Same process we have to follow. Brackets first we have to solve. So 12 plus 8 is 20. So that is 0.5 into 20 divided by 4 plus 1.5. So the next step is here we have to solve the division one. So 0.5 into 20 divided by 4 is 5. So 0.5 into 5 plus 1.5. Next step is 0.5 into 5. So we have to multiply 0.5 into 5, that is 2.5 plus 1.5. So here is again the addition operation is there. So 2.5 plus 1.5 is 4. 4 is the answer. So the next question, we'll move to the next question, that is 12.5 plus 4.5 into 2. So here we have to solve. The first is multiplication. So 12.5 plus 4.5 into 2 is 9. So 12.5 plus 9 is 21.5. 21.5 is the answer. Now we'll go to the next question, that is 10.8 minus 2.4 divided by 4 plus 3.1. So the first step, first we have to solve in the brackets one. So 10.8 minus 2.4. So we have to solve the first brackets, it is subtraction. So 8.4 divided by 4 plus 3.1. So the next is the division. So 8.4 divided by 4 is 2.1. So 2.1 plus 3.1. If you add these two, we'll get 5.2. So 5.2 is the answer.